What's going on, everybody? Dalton's Garage with a quick video of last night's pickup. Had a lady on Facebook message me telling me that her neighbor throwed a mower out to the curb, and as soon as she seen it, she had me in mind and sent me a message and said come get it real quick. So raced over there in the truck, picked this up. It wasn't in quite as nice shape as it is now when I picked it up. Had to replace the pull string handle, had to fix these brackets down here, they were kind of bent up, so I got them situated. Had to fix these little knobs here to take the handle down and apart, and had to tighten up these front wheels, and I believe that was all I did. As soon as I took it off the truck and tried to pull the string, it fired up effortlessly, so that's always good. This has got the aluminum deck with the 6 horsepower GTS 5 motor. Pretty sweet. Phone's out here getting wet. It's a beautiful day, if you would. It's got a throttle with choke, 3-speed with neutral. So without further ado, let's get it fired up. Listen to the beast run. Choke it. There it is. She sure does purr. Good mower. Got the bag in the garage, came with it. Doesn't even look like it's been used that much. But yeah, Toro Super Recycler. The 3-speed with neutral there. Air filter is really clean, oil is really clean. Older lady said her husband siphoned the gas out of the tank, but to my surprise, it had a full tank of gas when I got it, so I'm not sure what they're talking about. And the oil was not drained, so maybe he thought he got it all out of there or something, but he definitely didn't. Let's give her a little idle up. Oh, about killed it there. .21-inch deck, not too bad. Might have to keep this one. Never seen this on a mower before. It's got the little gauge here that kind of matches the height adjustment on the thing, so you can get your yard looking I don't know, lush, and other adjustments there, kind of tells you about it. But other than that, she's definitely a keeper. Nice sharp looking mower. These rear self-propelled wheels are kind of shot. I actually thinking about maybe taking some bicycle tires and gluing them on there and make it look a lot nicer. So just wanted to share that with everybody today. Throw a video on there. Pretty neat. The way this bag goes on here, it literally just sits right up there. Normally they kind of go back in an angle, but this one kind of sits right up on the handlebars. So, alright. Thanks for checking out the 1995 Toro Super Recycler. Kind of a commercial mower, if you would. Definitely sharp, like I said, though. So that'll wrap the video up. Thanks for watching. Till next time, Dalton's Garage signing out.